Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide. It's been a while that I haven't been posting a video for you guys. The problem is, this COVID pandemic, the border is still closed, so it's really hard for me to get any accessories for the Watch 3 or the Active 2 to review. And today I was just scrimmaging around through my old stuff, accessories that I've reviewed before on my Active 2, and noticed these leather cases and leather straps. Today we're gonna check them out and see how it looks like on our Watch 3. We're gonna see how this thing looks like. So we're gonna try to check out the black one first. I do have the brown and the black here. We'll check out the black one first and see how that thing looks like. So there you go. Just get the camera focus here. It's got a orange accent on the strap and with the stitches as well. And it looked great on the Active 2. And we're gonna see how this thing will look like on the Watch 3, if it will look good as well. So it's already got the built-in locking pin. You don't need to manually install it, which is always nice to have. And the good thing about it with the Active 2 and the Watch 3 41mm, they have the same watch band sizes. So if you have two watches if you own two watches, you're pretty much good to go when it comes to the sizes of the watch band. So that's what it looks like, guys. It looks really, really nice. I'm gonna put this on my wrist. As you can see, the leather strap is still quite stiff, so you definitely need to break this in before it molds on your wrist. Okay, and there you go. Looks really, really nice. Another camera. That's what it looks like here. Seems like I'm blurry on the other camera. But anyways, there you go. All right, let's move on to the next one. So I hope by the time they reopen the border between Canada and the United States, there should be plenty of stuff for me to buy on Amazon.com. Like I said, the .ca, Amazon.ca, their accessories for watches is quite limited, and I'm pretty much running out of a resource to review for these watches. I was planning to get the OnePlus watch as well, but the problem is they are completely sold out. So there's really nothing for me to review at this time, guys. And as you can see, that's why I didn't have anything posted up last week. But anyways, this is what it looks like with the brown watch band. I'm gonna put this on and see how it looks on my wrist. So if you don't like the leather strap that you got out of the stock of your Watch 3, you have these options you could check out and consider. And again, it depends on the type and color you prefer. They do have selective colors there to choose from. Other than that, guys, this is pretty much it. Just a quick video of the leather watch strap for your Watch 3. And if you have any other questions or video requests you would like me to make, leave me a comment down below and I'll try my best to make a video on that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.